Hi there everybody, welcome to the Code View channel. In this channel, we are going to be learning about the basics of coding in mainly three different languages, which include HTML, JavaScript and Python. So I'm going to be your HTML companion. I'm going to be teaching how to make an HTML web pages or other basic HTML things. So right now, as you can see, I'm on my home page right now. So I'm going to open up an application called VS Code. So Visual Studio Code right there. This is a free application. You can download it from anywhere. I will give the download link in the description below. Now here, as you can see, this is a platform where you can code in almost every single language. So now for getting started to make an HTML web page, we're going to go over to our file explorer. Now inside the file explorer, here we'll just choose any single place we want our folder to be made in. So here I'll just go inside desktop. I'll just create a new folder. I'll name it the code views. I'll name it the HTML basics right there. So now we can just close it up. Then we come back to VS Code. Here we'll go to the file option up here. Here we'll go to open folder. Inside open folder, we'll go to the place where we created our folder. So I created it inside of desktop, so I'll open desktop. Then here I've created here HTML basics. Now I'll just take HTML basics, I'll select the folder. Now it's open here. Now here, as we're going to do is we're going to take this option which is called new file. We'll click on new file, and here inside we're going to type in index.html. Index.html is the first web page that you're going to create. That is what connects your files and your codes to the web. So here inside of index.html, we are going to type in, we're going to use these open and close brackets, which are the smaller than and greater than brackets. Here we're going to type in doc type HTML. Inside of doc type HTML, here we're going to type in HTML, and then we're going to close it. Now remember one thing, whenever you are closing any bracket, you are going to put a front slash here. The front slash lets the computer know that you are closing a command, you're closing a bracket. Now inside of the HTML bracket, everything is going to be inside of the HTML bracket. So here we're going to use these brackets. The smaller than and greater than brackets are going to be used everywhere in HTML. So here we are going to type in head. Now when you type head, now I'm going to close it again. See, I closed it again with the front slash. Now inside of here, we're going to click enter, and we're going to type in title. So this title is actually the title that comes on written on the tab. I'll just show you as an example. So for example, I write here HTML basics right there. Here you can see as there's a white dot. That white dot is an indicator that you have not saved your code. So just to save it, just to Control S on your keyboard. Now here we're going to open up a file explorer again. We're going to go to the place where we saved it. We're going to open up the folder. Here you can see index. We have index now. So we are just going to open it. It's going to get opened into here into your browser. So as you can see here, it shows HTML basics on top as I just wrote it. Now if I change the code here, like I just type HTML, I save it. Here you can see it's just HTML now. So that's how you know that it is the one that is changing the code. Next, we're going to exit the head. Now we're going to click enter at the end of line number 5, and we're going to enter line number 6. Here we're going to type in body. So we're going to type body, and then we close the body tag. Now inside of the body tag, we are gonna write in everything that's gonna be inside of your screen, inside of the window that you have opened. So like inside, if I want a title, so I write h1, there's h1, h2, h3, h4 and so on. So this means that is a heading, so this is a subheading 1. So here inside, like I'm just going to type in HTML basics 1. So as I type HTML basics 1, we're going to save the code and then we're going to check it out. Here you can see HTML basics 1. Now next we're going to go here, and then like if I type a second heading, if I want to, I can type in h2. So inside here I typed sub to code view. That's the output again. So it's HTML is a very simple language. As you can see, there's not much what I wrote. There's simple text inside of the brackets you're going to write. It's going to come up on your screen. It's very simple. Now example, I want to write a paragraph, so I'm going to open up the p tags. I just have to type in p and then I have to close it. You should always remember to close it. Now inside of the p tag, example, I started typing in inside of the p tag, hey there, my name is X, I am your HTML companion for the channel code view. There, we wrote that. Now here, see, it pops up there. Hey there, my name is X, I'm HTML companion for the channel code view. Now here, if we click enter and then we type another paragraph tab, here inside, if I just type in yes, it's just an example, here it'll come on the next line. So now I'm just going to remove this, and what we're going to do now is, how do you give all of this? Like if you want to give the HTML basics a color, the sub to code view a color, hey there, my name is X, this paragraph a color. Now to hand it over, like to give it a color, what we're going to do is we are going to go back to our code. Here now inside of the opening bracket, like for example this h1 bracket, inside of the opening, so after the text h1 inside of the bracket, we're going to give, so here inside of the bracket I'm going to type in style is equal to, sorry, I wrote a plus, sorry, so is equal to, then inside we're going to write color, and you can even always select from what you want to type in. So here like this color, you can just select from here, saying here inside of the color bracket I'm just going to choose any random color. Now if you want to choose a color, like now there's no color popping up, so you can always just delete it and then you type it in again. Here there are lots and lots of colors that you can choose from. Like here we had, like here if I have I choose blue for example, so here you can see, and here you can also pick up the shade for the color if you want. So I'm liking this blue. I'm going to save the code and then we're going to check it out. I'm sorry, I opened OBS. So here you can see there's HTML basics. As you can see, that's the output that's coming. It's blue now, and then I can just choose any other color. For example, I choose the color aqua. So here when I open this up, it's in the aqua color. It's kind of a teal light color. So then I'm going to switch over to here. Then for example, it's the same for h2 also. I give style is equal to color, and then here there are lots of colors. So for example, I choose crimson, that means red. So I save it again, I check the output, it's red. It's same for the paragraph. Style is equal to color. I chose dark cyan. It's not that much like I can't see it that much also. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on the screen recording, but it's changed, the color is changed. So as I was saying, now for knowing that you guys have understood what I have taught you in this video, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a homework. You can call it a homework, and because now we all are at home, so it's all homework. So I want you to do one thing. You can refer to this video, make a doctype HTML make a doctype HTML page here, and then inside of H1 H2 paragraph you can write anything random, give it a specific color that you like, and then email it to me on my email here, as you can see on screen. Or if you want a faster reply, you can join our Discord server. The link is in the description below. Make sure to join that. We are the most active there, so we will be able to help you out there the most. If you upload it on Discord, then we will reply in about 1 or 2 hours, or if you email us, it will take about at least a few more hours, because I don't check my mail that very frequently, I'm sorry. But yeah, so you can choose any other way, it's up to you. So let me know what are your thoughts on this. Thanks for watching the video. My name was X, you're watching Code View, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.